Okay, get up. Try to get me now. No, get up. Get up. Get up. Okay, give me.
That looks funny.
No, don't pull her out. I want to see Annalise as a sleeping bag. Stand up, Annalise.
Get up, get up.
She don't want to stand up. Just swing her around like that.
Let her get up and walk again.
Here, Annalise, get up and try to get me.
She can't get up.
I'm gonna get you. Uh-oh, she's gonna get me.
She's gonna get up. She's gonna get up. There she goes.
Wrong way.
Don't push her down.
I did this.
You're walking into the wall, Annalise.
Let her get up again.
She said, "Oh, stop it." Oh, she just did a flip. Score.
Let's go this way. Lay down. Here, get up, get up.
Don't bring your shoes in here, Braxton.
Get up.
Shut those doors.
It's like a rag doll.
I kept on ditching you. So it's almost 3 o'clock, so I had to ditch them when I came home.
Why are they ditching you?
You hit me
I don't
now.
know.
They're just being silly.
Okay, stand up.
No, they're not.
Stand up.
They always do that.
No, they always ditch you.
Yeah, they go as
Get
fast
up,
as
get
they
up, get up.
can.
I'm trying to get me. No.
You can't go as fast as they can.
I can't.
Why not?
Oh.
I don't have the same bike, and
You have a good bike. You just need to put tires on it. Save your money. Stop buying junk.
I don't need money. I can take the bike. I can take the wheel off of my other bike and put it on the other one.
Did you give up on Elise? She's done.